F20 3-fold simulation. It simulates the failure of the hot air defrosting system. When the device is running, the light of A solenoid valve on the touchscreen is off. The solenoid valve is a solenoid valve for hot air defrosting. After clicking the solenoid valve, the high-temperature gas enters the low-temperature pipeline through the solenoid valve. Achieve defrosting effect. Now observe the effect of the experiment. The solenoid valve is a solenoid valve for hot air defrosting. Usually, this is the disconnected state. When defrosting is required on the same day, open the solenoid valve. Now, you can see that the pipeline is frosted. Open the solenoid valve, the high-temperature gas will enter the pipeline and the frost will be removed. Open the hot air reversing solenoid valve at this time to observe the experimental effect. If the effect is not ideal, you can open it multiple times. But you need to wait until the solenoid valve is automatically closed before opening it a second time. After a period of time, you can see that the frost layer on the pipeline changes from solid to liquid water. During this process, the temperature inside the pipeline continues to rise until the frost layer is completely melted. Under normal circumstances, click on the hot air defrosting solenoid valve to perform hot air defrosting. At the same time, you can see on the touchscreen that the solenoid valve indicator light will light up. Set the fault now. Enter the fault simulation button interface. Enter password 1111. After the input is complete, click OK. Click the F9 button and the fault indicator lights up. Back to the main interface. Click on the hot air defrosting solenoid valve again. You can see that the solenoid valve is not responding and the indicator light is not on. Solenoid valve does not work. Back to the fault settings page. Enter password 1111. Reset F9 fault button. Click the solenoid valve again. The solenoid valve indicator lights up. The experiment had been finished.